Hello everyone, I hope you all are fine. This is your chemistry class and we have started the revision of chapter number 3, that is elements, compounds and mixtures, and today we are going to revise our next topic, that is separation of liquid mixture with the help of separating funnel and fractional distillation. So let's start with this. So separating funnel and fractional distillation are the two methods. These methods are used for separating the liquid mixtures. So first is the separating funnel. The apparatus used for the separating funnel is stopcock at the tail end of the funnel, means a funnel that having stopcock at the tail. That is also called separating funnel, tripod stand, container, water and kerosene oil. So this is the apparatus for separating funnel. Here this is the stopcock at the end of the separating funnel. So in this, a liquid mixture when poured into the funnel and allowed to stand, we have to put the liquid mixture in this separating funnel. Here we take kerosene oil and water's mixture. Okay, then we have to stand that mixture. Then after some times, what will happen? The oil float on the surface of the water. Then we have to observe two separating layers, one for the kerosene oil and one layer for water. Then open the stopcock and separate the one layer in the container. Here this is a stopcock. We have to open this stopcock. Then the water falls down and we have to collect that water with the help of this container. Then we close the stopcock. Okay. Then what will happen? Only kerosene is left in the separating funnel. Then we have to take another beaker and kept the kerosene oil in that beaker by using this stopcock, by means opening this stopcock. Okay. So in this method we have to separate the liquid mixture. Like kerosene is also in the liquid form and water is also in the liquid form. When they stand, after standing, sometimes they form different layers. So firstly we have to collect one layer, that is of water layer in beaker, and then another layer of kerosene oil. So in the next method, that is the fractional distillation. This is the method used to separate two miscible liquids. What do you mean by the miscible liquids? The mixtures that mixed very well, okay, which cannot be differentiated. That mixtures known as miscible liquids also, or mixture also. So this method is based on the boiling point of the liquid. The fractional distillation method based on the boiling point of the liquids that we have to take in this method. Okay. So the mixture used is alcohol and water. Here we take a mixture of alcohol and water. And apparatus used for this fractional distillation flask is fitted with fractionating column in which the thermometer is inserted. That fractionating column further connected to the condenser, and the condenser again further connected with any receiver or any flask. Like this is a round bottom flask, this is a distillating flask, and this distillating flask fitted with fractionating column. This is a fractionating column, and here thermometer is inserted. Okay. So the temperature across the column varies. It is higher at the bottom and lower at the top. Here we apply the heat. So the temperature at the lower level is high and the temperature at the upper level is low. So the liquid with the lower boiling point, the liquid, here is the mixture of alcohol and water. The mixture which having the low boiling point means the mixture that vaporizes first. That mixture's vapor rise up, and then that vapors passes through the condenser. Then what is the function of this condenser? It can changes the vapor form into the liquid form. It can changes the vapor into the liquid. Then by using this flask we have to collect that water. Sorry, that liquid. Okay, like this the liquid which having low boiling point and vaporizes first, we have to collect first that liquid. Then after the first component is removed, the temperature starts rising till the boiling point of the second liquid is reached. Okay, then the first liquid requires low temperature, so that's why they vaporizes first and we have to collect that liquid first. Then for the second liquid, the temperature required is much as compared to the first one. So then the second liquid rise up and here collected by the condenser, and the condenser changes that vapors into the liquid form. Then we have to collect the second liquid into the another container. So in this way we have to collect the two miscible liquids that are not differentiated with each other, like we have not separate them, like we cannot say them this is the water and this is the alcohol present here. Okay, so in this way we have to separate the two miscible liquids by using the fractional distillation. So this method is based on the boiling points of the liquid. The liquid that boils first, we have to collect that liquid first, and the boiling point of the next liquid is more, so we have to collect them before after the first. So in this method is used for petroleum gas, petrol, kerosene, diesel, lubricating oil and paraffin wax. So I hope you like this lecture. So thanks and have a nice day.